It's harvest time on the Canadian prairies. I'm Brian Kennedy, the Pedigreed Seed Territory Manager with CANTERRA Seeds in Alberta. You can probably tell by the dust on my jeans and the dust in the air behind me that I'm standing in a field of canary seed. This is CDC Lumio. CDC Lumio is an extremely high-yielding variety of canary seed, out-yielding CDC Bastia by 117%. CDC Lumio is a mid-maturity variety with a mid-stature, which gives it good resistance to lodging. CDC Lumio is a brown variety with 1,000 kernel weight of 8.3 grams. And as a bonus, even though there is dust drifting into me, CDC Lumio is an itchless variety.